name is Natalie Abel, and we're just going out in the community today just to see how much young ladies really know about the drug called Gardasil. If you could for me, just state your name and your age, please.
Portia, 17.
I'm Claire, I'm 17 also.
Ashley, I'm 18.
Okay. We passed out a survey, and we just want to go over your answers. Okay. First question was, have you taken the vaccine Gardasil?
No. No.
Any particular reason why not?
No.
Personally, I was going to take it, but my mother said that she hadn't done her research on it, so I decided not to.
I don't like needles.
Do y'all know what Gardasil is for?
HPV virus.
Okay.
Please don't ask me the same.
I think it's to prevent human papillomavirus.
Sure. I thought it was for cervical cancer.
Right. It prevents the HPV virus that causes cervical cancer.
Not prevent every HPV.
Do y'all know how long Gardasil has been on the market?
I think about 2 years.
Okay, that's right. It came out in 2006. Do you know whether or not it's verified and safe by the FDA and CDC?
I don't.
It is. Do you know if there are any side effects to Gardasil?
I think I heard blood clots or something like that.
I know every drug has side effects, but I don't know the particular ones for HPV.
I don't know.
Okay, well, we'll go over it. What does HPV stand for?
Human papillomavirus.
What she said.
Right. True or false? Some women have resulted in seizures, mental retardation, and even death directly following the receiving of the Gardasil shot.
False.
I said true.
True.
Okay. Is Gardasil 100% effective?
False.
False.
Okay. Does Gardasil prevent all STDs?
False.
Okay. And can both men and women get the HPV virus?
False. Yeah, I said false.
Okay. Y'all were right about Gardasil preventing cervical cancer. It's the only cervical cancer vaccine that helps protect against 4 types of human papillomaviruses. It is used to prevent genital warts and cervical cancers caused by certain types of human papillomaviruses in girls and young women. Human papillomavirus can cause genital warts, cancer of the cervix, and various cancers of the vulva or vagina. Gardasil is given as an injection shot into a muscle into your upper arm or thigh. You will receive this injection in a doctor's office or other clinical setting. Gardasil is given in a series of 3 shots. You may have the first shot anytime as long as you are between the ages of 9 and 26 years old. Then you will need to receive the second dose 2 months after your first shot, and a third dose 6 months after your second shot. Be sure to receive all doses of Gardasil recommended by your healthcare provider or by the health department of the state you live in. If you do not receive the full series of vaccines, you may not be fully protected against the disease Gardasil. It does not protect against all forms of cervical cancer and should not be used in place of having a routine pelvic exam and pap smear to screen for cervical cancer. Some noted side effects of Gardasil are pain, swelling, redness, or itching where the shot was given, mild fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, upset stomach, dizziness, runny or stuffy nose, sore throat, cough, or muscle pain.
Okay, as I said before, it's not a cure for HPV, but it prevents it. Y'all know that. And cervical cancer is a leading cause of deaths in the U.S., and over 20 million women have been affected by the disease, and over 3,700 have died from it. And this is most important that it's given to women that's been not like before sexually active. Like they're trying to give it to young girls, and there are a lot of side effects and there's a lot of different things they don't know about it. Like there says they have caused deaths in it, and it says that it's not fully effective. It's only 70% effective, and it doesn't work for everybody. And once again, it's only 4 types of HPV that cure, not all of them. And it's not a cure or it's not a vaccine of STDs. It just prevents. That's all.
Okay, and to answer some of the questions that were on here, Gardasil is not 100% effective. It's actually only 70% effective. Of course, it does not prevent all STDs. Nothing does. Except for contraceptives, always remember that. Both men and women can actually get the HPV virus. There have actually been reports that homosexual men have gotten anal cancers from the HPV virus. And again, some women have resulted in seizures, mental retardation, and death directly after receiving the Gardasil shot. But the company that has Gardasil, called Merrick, they are saying that these things that have been happening to women within hours of getting the shot have no relation to the shot. Of course, they don't know that because the product has only been on the market for 2 years. And at this time, of course, they wouldn't know what is going to happen after receiving the shot because it hasn't been out that long. Do y'all have any questions?
Oh, this is very informational.
Yes, very.
I mean, would you try to get the shot now, or would you?
Would you wait a couple years? I mean, to try and get it after it's been on the market a little longer?
I want to see what more like research can be done on it to better the chances that it's more effective before I try it.
What about you?
Same thing.
Okay, that's with me too personally. I haven't gotten the shot simply because it's new to the market. I don't want to be a guinea pig for the drug, especially if they're saying, these things have happened to certain women and they can't prove that it's happening. They can't prove that it is not caused from the drug. I don't want to take anything that they don't know for sure about. Well, ladies, we just like to thank you all for participating with us.